Yo, what's up guys? So today in this video we are presenting our drama about environmental activism. So what are you waiting for? Play the video!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today we are going to present our drama about environmental issues. Please enjoy. From trash to triumph. Trash is floating everywhere. Plastic bags, bottles, even an old frying pan. Two mothers are throwing household garbage in the river.
The husband is full again. He's going there. The driver to take it away. Our fight of mine. Never will handle it right.
They laugh. Suddenly, plastic bottle floats back toward them.
What is it coming back?
Suddenly, five young men enter carrying cleaning tools.
Not today, Mom! Good afternoon. We are Padawara Group. And this river are disinfected.
Who are you boys? Superhero?
Not superheroes, Mom. Just young people. Just young people who care about the ecosystem.
Not today. And we believe that small action can create a massive impact.
Ma'am, throwing waste here causes pollution, microplastic, polluting, and biodiversity loss.
Plus, this river is not your personal trash cans, Mom.
The team starts cleaning. They pull out strange items. A wallet, a shoe, a toy crown, even a fake gold.
Look, bro, I found a treasure. That's not treasure. That's a feeling of poor measurement.
Everyone laughs. But suddenly, a reporter coming in. Wait. Are you guys the final cleaning up squad?
Yes.
Wow, this is amazing. We're going live in 3, 2, 1, action. Hello guys, today we are with Pandawara Group, a viral environmental activist that cleaning river and became viral. So, can you introduce yourself?
Sure, we are Padawara Group. We found in 2022 in Bandung, Indonesia. We start as 5 friends who cares about environmental degradation and overwhelming waste crisis in our country.
Our mission is simple. Raise awareness and inspire people. We document our cleanups and educate people about sustainability.
Indonesia is one of the largest contributors marine plastic waste, and we want to change that narrative.
We believe environmental stewardship is not optional, it's a responsibility.
Of course, we get tired and smell is bad, but the planet doesn't need excuse.
I see. Next question. How does it feel to go viral?
It's not about fame. It's all about impact. If one video make one person inspired to not littering, it's already powerful.
Okay, incredible. Back to the studio. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Dudung. Yes, what? Hello? Huh? What? Pandawara Group just got an international invitation? Wait, guys.
Here, come here.
Wait. Let me check.
Excel again.
Listen to this, guys. talk. Just a random 5 guys that concerned about environmental issues can be recognized and invited to Denmark. It's not about fame or viral. It's about taking care of our environment and make sure that our environment always there for our next generation.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Parawara Group from Indonesia.
Your dedication represents a youth global climate action. You're reminding us that environmental advocacy has no borders. So,
Thank you. We are honored, but appreciation means nothing if the river are still drawing in trash.
This is not just our award. This award is for every young person who chooses to care.
this is just beginning for them. Their goals still far more than this. But this will make their goals closer than ever. If we talk about environment, it's not just their responsibility, but it's yours too. Take a step, and it will make a change for a better future.
Okay guys, it's us how to survive properly.
Now, that's what we call character development.
Resistance recycle. It's not just a slogan.
Let's make a clean records the new viral trend for us. Look, if the record clean, we got the aesthetic of our country.
The river is a mirror. If it's dirty, maybe we shall reflect. Come here.
1, 2, 3.
Keep it clean, keep it green.